Alright guys, I am back. I've just completed a paper, an exam, and I completed this. Let me just zoom out so you can see the whole paper. So I think you can see, I'll read it out to you guys. I know my handwriting is a bit small there, but we'll read it and see if there's anything I need to improve on. I do have the mark scheme, but I do not know where I put it at the moment. I'll find it. Or you can also use ChatGPT or ask your teacher to mark it. So yeah. So here, how has the writer used language here to describe the destruction of the doll? So I used strong vocabulary. So if you can't remember like a verb or something, just put strong vocabulary because that just means that. So the writer used strong vocabulary to describe the destruction of the doll, such as seized. It has to be inverted commas because it's commas there, because it's quotation marks, because it's quotation. Seized the doll. The verb seized was used to describe the anger and aggressiveness towards the doll. The word seized also describes the way, basically this way someone just grabbed the doll. Like, let's say I just grabbed tape like this thing in anger, and it shows how people deal with that anger. Like, for me, when I'm angry, I either stop crying or I just shout. So people have different ways of letting their emotions out. So that's one thing I've used, and I'll see if I need to add a bit more. I'll use a red pen for that and green pen to mark the good parts. The writer also used a lot of exclamation words, such as tremendous. Tremendous may not seem. I mean, if there was an exclamation mark on yes, but like the word itself is like it's like shouting, and it's an onomatopoeia. Yeah, I don't know how to spell it correctly, but I did write it over here. So the onomatopoeia tremendous shows us how strong the doll was being thrown, was being destroyed, and the word tremendous it's basically like a tornado. The doll's been thrown like a tornado. It's not been treated with like a doll. It's not playfully or like thrown. Like, it's aggressive. Again. So causing chaos. I used chaos instead of destruction because I don't want to keep using the same words. Just get boring. Like I said, if we keep calling someone by the name, like if you just keep saying the name over and over again, it gets boring. So yeah, here's my last paragraph. This is meant to be 3 paragraphs, and I did 3 paragraphs. But if you want to shorten the paragraph, the last one, then that's fine. The writer uses many adjectives such as shattered and shards. Shards, like shattered and shards, basically glass breaking. So the doll seems like it's made out of glass, or maybe the eyes were made out of glass, something. Very violent words used here, and it's described the havoc of the situation. The atmosphere is very dense. Is very dense and negative. We'll say it's negative, not a positive.